Hello friends, today I am here to share with you the total income by Hi friends. Hi friends, today I'll be sharing with you my total passive income by selling photography for the month of August 2022. Hi guys, for those who are watching me for the first time, I am Dr. Arindam. I'm a medical doctor by profession, but I love photography and I have been uploading in stock photography agencies since the last 3 years, more than 3 years. Alright, but lately I am so busy with work that I have been a very irregular, you can say I have not uploaded regularly or for that matter any photos at all in any stock photography agency since last few months. So I am uploading these videos as a challenge to see how much I can continue till all of my stock photography income goes absolutely, it becomes nearly negligible. You know what I mean? I have always told you, once you upload your photos regularly, your account remains active and your sale chance gets much more better. And if you don't upload it regularly, your sales will gradually lower. And of course, it's proven. Okay, it's proved. It's happening with me right now where my income is going down slowly. But nevertheless, I am getting some income which I'll be sharing with you. And so this is the absolute passive income. It means I am not uploading any photos in any account since last 7-8 months now, but I'm still getting some income. So now let's check it. What is my passive income, right? I'll be showing you agencies one by one, and at the end I'll be adding them up and I'll show you what's the real value. Okay, so I'd like to tell you this month, I mean, since it is now September, I'll be showing you the month of August. I had zero sales in Alami and Picxy and 123 RF. This is the first time I had zero sales in 123 RF since last 3 years. Maybe it's the effect of me not uploading any photos. Anyway, but still in other agencies I got some income. Okay, in big stock, I 9 images have been sold with 2.25 US dollar is the total earning. Okay, I'm going from the worst to the best, and you won't believe me, the best seller is not Shutterstock or Istock. Okay, if you have seen my channel lately, you already have some idea what is my best seller. Anyway, above that is IEM. Okay, in IEM I had these sales, 6 photo sales, and the total income is 2.34 US dollar. And that too, this value is so high compared to 6 sale because of this one single sale which is 1.97 US dollar. Otherwise you can see one sale 10 cent and rest of all are 1 cent. Okay, majority. Okay, there are 2 more sales also, 0.1 and 0.14, but never mind, the total value is 2.34 US dollar. Next we move on to pond 5. I had a sale in pond 5 after ages. So you can see the 10th of the last month I had one sale. It's a photo. It's an apply intradermal insulin injection to a thigh of a patient using a hypodermic needle. It's a medical procedure. I am a doctor. I have access to these photos. And of course this has been taken at home, okay, in a controlled setting. The model whose arm is shown is my mom. Okay, so don't think I'm going around and clicking in the hospital. You need proper release and consent for that, and those files are classified. You cannot shoot in a hospital without anyone's permission, right? Especially the hospital authority. So in pond 5, that all being said, in pond 5 the total sale is 8.22 US dollar. Not bad at all. Okay, now this is Dreamstime. In Dreamstime for the month of August, you can see I had 4 sales, 1.3 US dollar. However, this is my total, this is my earning from referrals. You see, referral earning. it is 13.37. So it's almost more than 10 times of what I am earning right now. Now see, okay, you might say, sir, you are getting so much income because you have made a channel and you are sharing your referral links, and that's why all of us have signed up, and you are actually reaping of other people's hard work. That's how the referral system, you are true, but that's how the referral system works. Okay, but this is a proof that even if I am not uploading any photo and I am getting very low sales, those of you who are actually uploading and you are working hard, you are actually getting a lot of sales. So this is a proof that my subscribers who have used my referral links are getting good sales on Dreamstime. So I take it as a win-win scenario. So this is my total income on Dreamstime. Now here is deposit photos. In deposit photo for the month of August, the total income, you can see this is the referral. The referral income is 4.38 US dollar, but my total income by selling photo is 13.61 US dollars. So total is 18.33 US dollars. That's in deposit photo. Okay, the next best, so now you are in top 5. Okay, Dreamstime was the top 5th, I guess. No, this is the top 5th, the deposit for the top 4th one is Adobe Stock. In Adobe Stock, I have already selected from August 1 to August 31st, and I think I need to zoom in a bit in order to show you. You can see, what is this? Total 38 downloads and 22.23 US dollar. Not bad. I just got paid last month. I mean, I requested a payout, so now again it will show when it's 25 US dollars. Okay, next is Shutterstock. So now Shutterstock is the 3rd best for me. If you have seen my all of my stock photography earnings videos, Shutterstock used to be number 1, and that is how the fact are, because Shutterstock is so much high selling. If you upload regularly in Shutterstock, it will be your best seller. There's a huge exposure of Shutterstock in all the media community. Everyone downloads from Shutterstock only, but not in my case. In my case, you can see the referral. Let me show you first. The referral earning is 2.52 US dollar, not that much, and my own sale is 27.15. I mean, my total sale is 27.15 including referrals. Okay, so you can say it's around 25 or 24.5 dollars in case of Shutterstock. That is by I mean, selling my own photo. 162 total download. Now I already, regarding my top 2, I have made separate videos about them. So if you have not seen them, it means you have missed, right? And if you are missing them, means you are not subscribed and you have not clicked the bell icon. So I request you all, if you like stock photography, if you want to learn about stock photography, if you want me to motivate you by posting this kind of videos, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now you see, in case of Getty Images, this is iStock. How you check your iStock income, that is by today's 20 website. And an interesting thing about iStock is it displays the income of the previous month in the 20th of this month, right? So we all know that. So in case of iStock, I had 32.89 US dollar as my income. Now the number 1 bestseller for me that have maybe that has broken the record of all of them added together is Wirestock. Yes, in Wirestock, you see, when I made my last video, there was the unpaid balance. It already got paid out. You can see this message right now. Anyway, so you see, in Wirestock, I have a total portfolio of 760. It is much lower because I started uploading late in Wirestock, and the photos that you upload in Wirestock, you cannot upload anywhere else. So let me show you. In case of Wirestock, my earning for last month is 150.53 US dollars. Can you believe it? Of course, there were some direct sales license prints, etc. But that's how Wirestock is. It's not only for me. And in case of Wirestock also, if you see my total earning of $542, my referral earning is $120 almost. So it's a proof that once who have used my referral link and once who have signed up, you are also doing quite well. Now, links to all these websites, contributor websites, including Wirestock, is given in the description below. So feel free to register using my referral link if you have not signed up yet. Now it's time to add my income. So let's add from the top. It's 150.53. Can you listen to the sound of my baby crying? 32.89 plus 32.89 plus 27.15 plus 27.15 plus 22.23 plus 22.23 plus 18.33 plus 18.33 plus 13.37 plus 1.3 plus 13.37 plus 1.3. Those are the double digit. Now in case of single digit, we have 0.5 plus 8.22 plus 8.22 plus 2.34 plus 2.34 plus, this is the last one I guess, that is 2.25 plus 2.25. So it's 278.61 US dollar. Now let me convert it to Indian money for that perspective. 278.61 278.61 USD to INR. It's around 22,000 rupees, just above 22k, right? So that's a big amount, right? And that's mainly that have been mainly possible due to this earning spike on Wirestock. Usually you see all of my earning remains below $30. Okay, of course it is increasing. It sometimes it gives spike earning, but it's low usually. So my total earning is generally around $150, but this time it's not very bad. Okay, it's actually good. Anyway, if you have seen my video till now, please type the code word confident. Okay, if you type confident, I will know that you have watched this video till now. Feel free to share this video to your friends, photographers and cousins, and feel free to like and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. And please use the referral links in my description to sign up in any stock photography agency account if you have not signed up yet. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care. And please don't forget to mention your total earning in the comment section. I would love to interact with you and I'd like to know how we are doing in stock photography. I wish you all the very best. Bye and take care.